Hey guys, Robert here with you today from MudBusters. Today we're working on our Polaris RZR 2025 model Pro S, and we're going to be installing a set of fender flares. We're going to start up here on the front. The first thing we're going to need to do is take out this bolt, and this bolt. Alright, then grab your fender flare, put it up against your machine and adjust any bends that may have settled during shipping. And in your kit, you've got some bolts and some washers. We're going to take those and install them in the location you just pulled hardware out of. Get all three of those in position, you can go ahead and tighten them up. And you've got three locations up under here. You're going to have to drill each one for a rivet and insert a rivet into that hole as you drill them. These have already been drilled, so I'm just going to insert the rivets in three locations. And there you have it, your front installation is complete. Alright guys, moving on to the rear. We're going to remove these two bolts just like we did up front. And then grab your flare. This edge on your flare will sit on top of that tail light. Set it on there, align the panel, and reinstall long bolts and washers from your kit, just like we did up front. Once you get them started, we'll go ahead and tighten it down. You need to make sure that this rear edge is pushed inward as you're tightening so that everything aligns properly. Alright, with that done, we're going to take and drill 4, 5 rivet holes, 1 for a long rivet, 4 for short rivet. Long rivet's going to go up front, and then each of the other locations is going to get a short rivet. Be sure to install a rivet before you move to the next location. Now our last step is going to take place right back here on the rear. You'll get 2 of these little tech screws from your kit, and they will go into existing holes right back there on that lip. But you'll install them from the bottom, find the hole, and run them up. Be very careful not to over tighten. Both of those are in place. You're all complete. Get out there and enjoy that ride.